Let's see the audio. The audio. Restaurants. Restaurant. Right here, restaurant. This is unit taking an order by, taking a food order. Food. So, in this class, we're taking a food order. Taking a food order.
Taking food orders.
Taking food orders. So, make sure you pay attention to the food vocabulary. We have oysters, salmon, Cape Cod, Norwegian salmon. Pay attention to the food. The food. Pay attention to the narrator. The narrator. Pay attention to the phrases that Mary, the waitress, is using. Ready? Let's do it. Let's listen to the audio. Here we go. Taking food orders.
Part 1. Text and dialogues. Mary asked the guests at table 14 if she could take their food order. May I take your food order now? She informed the guests about the specialties on the menu for that week. The fresh Cape Cod oysters and the Norwegian salmon are our specialities this week. Mary wrote down the details of the order on the food order form. The oysters to start and the salmon to follow, please. Yes, madam. A guest ordered the filet steak, so Mary asked how he wanted his steak cooked. How would you like your steak, sir? Well done, medium or rare?
Medium, please.
Mary had to describe a dish on the menu for another guest. How are the filet de sole à la minière prepared? The sole fillet are sautéed in sweet butter and flavoured with a little lemon juice. She also explained to a guest what a certain ingredient was.
Mary, is couscous a vegetable?
No, sir. It's a type of grain made from wheat. When another guest asked for something that was no longer available, Mary apologised and recommended an alternative that was equally light.
I'll have the asparagus as a starter.
I'm very sorry, sir, but we've run out of asparagus. Would you like to try the cucumber mousse instead? It's light and very tasty.
All right, that sounds good.
She asked if anyone wanted an extra order of vegetables or salad. Would anyone like to order extra vegetables or salad with their main course? When all the guests had placed their orders, Mary repeated the whole order back to them. May I repeat your order? That's 2 cucumber mousse, 1 oysters, 1 mussel salad. Then she asked the guests for confirmation that the order was correct. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Mary then told them she would be back soon with their meal. Thank you. I'll be back soon with your meal.
Lesson.
More expressions.
More
The
expressions.
following expressions can also be used.
Picture 1. Are you ready to order now? Would you like to order now?
Picture 2. We have 2 specialities this week. They are... The specialities for this week are... and...
Picture 4. How would you like your steak done? How do you want your steak cooked?
Picture 7. I'm sorry, sir, but there is no more asparagus. I'm afraid we're out of asparagus, sir.
Picture 8. I would recommend the cucumber mousse instead. You may like to try the cucumber mousse instead.
Picture 9. Would you like any extra vegetables or salad?
Picture 10. I'll repeat the order.
Part 3. Exercise 5, page 29.
Now, we're gonna do an exercise. Exercise 5. In exercise 5, we have the situations, taking food orders. And we have the phrases. The phrases with the guest phrases, the customer, the client. Listen for the phrases the waiter is using. Listen for the phrases the waiter is using. Listen for the phrases, and we need to put the phrases in the correct order. In the correct order. We have the phrases right here, so it's not a problem. We have the options right here. Lesson. We have some fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. Number 2. How would you like your steak done? Number 3. I'll repeat the order. I'll repeat the order. Asparagus to start, steak well done, and an extra order of ratatouille. Is that right? Number 4. Are you having a starter, ma'am? Number 5. Are you ready to order now, ma'am? Number 6. What would you like for the main course? Number 7. Yes, of course, ma'am. Yes, of course, ma'am. And number 8. Tomatoes, ma'am, and some other vegetables. Tomatoes, ma'am, and some other vegetables. Listen, listen.
Are you ready to order now, madam?
Yes, I am. What are your specialities today?
We have some fresh asparagus from Belgium this week. Are you having a starter, madam?
Yes, I'd like the asparagus to begin with.
What would you like for the main course?
I'll have the steak, please.
How would you like your steak done?
Well done, please. What is the main ingredient in ratatouille?
Tomatoes, madam, and some other vegetables.
Could I have an extra order of ratatouille with my main course?
Yes, of course, madam. I'll repeat the order. Asparagus to start, steak well done, and an extra order of ratatouille. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. Unit.
Now, we're gonna organize the phrases in the situations. We have, what is the waiter saying to the guest? Choose from the sentences the number of your choice into the bubbles. These are the bubbles right here. The example, number 4, is in this one, number 4. Are you having a starter, ma'am? Are you having a starter, ma'am? And she said, yes, I like the asparagus to begin with. So that's the example, and we need to organize all the phrases, taking food orders. Now, let's check the different abilities, the different skills that Mary is doing in each picture while she takes the food order. There is 12 pictures. Let's look at the skills, different surprises that Mary has to do during the food order. Picture 1, Mary asked the guest if she could take their food order. Mary asked the guest if she could take their food order. So ask the guest, take their food order. Hey, can I take your food order? May I take your food order? Easy. Picture 2. Inform the guest about the specialties. The chef specials, restaurant specials, special promotions. Inform about the specialties. Excellent. Picture 3. Mary just wrote down the order, the details in the order form. Just write down the details. Look, she's writing. She said, yes ma'am, writing. She's writing the details. 1, 2, 3. Picture 4. Ask how the guest wants his steak cooked, because he orders steak. So, ask how the steak is cooked or done. Next picture, she had to describe a dish. Mary described a dish. Next picture, Mary explained an ingredient. Explain an ingredient, describe a dish. Next picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Picture 7. Mary explained something no longer available. No longer available, sorry. No longer available. Oops. No longer available. Look at the picture. No asparagus. Sorry. No asparagus. We finished the asparagus. So, asparagus no longer available. Something. Asparagus no longer available. Next picture. No longer available, so recommend an alternative. Sir, I recommend the cucumber mousse. Recommend an alternative. Next picture. Ask extra salad or vegetables. Extra salad on the side. Vegetables on the side. Salad on the side.
Mashed potatoes.
Next picture, repeat the whole order. Repeat the whole order. Repeat the order. Confirm the order. Confirm. And tell the guest, be back with the food, with the meal. Be back with the meal. Now these pictures, 12 skills, 12 pictures, 12 abilities for the restaurant, 12 skills. We have the special attention. These are the skills. Special attention. This is necessary for the skills. The specialties in the restaurant, the specialties. The specialties. The starters. The main course. The main course. The alternatives. Run out, no longer available, is finish. Finish. Ingredients, obviously the ingredients. The dish, different dish, explain the dish. Sauté, the cooking method. We practiced the cooking methods in the other class. In this case, the dish was sauté, the ratatouille is sauté. Of course, we got the temperature for the steak, rare, medium, and well done. We have another phrase for this one, rare, medium, and well done. How would you like your steak cooked? How would you like your steak done? And we have another one for the alternative. She said the cucumber mousse was light and fresh. This section is very important in the book. This section is very important in the book. This other section is very important. More expressions. You're gonna practice for homework the more expressions and the special attention. These are the notes. Look at the notebook. This is the notebook, you see? So these are the notes. More expressions and special attention. And organize the notes and the phrases with the skills, the 12 skills that we have in the pictures. So you know the English for the situation, the English for the waiter or the waitress, the phrases, and you know special vocabulary, difficult vocabulary. For example, in United States, for the main course, we also say entree. But in Europe, in London, the entree is the starter. So different, special, difficult vocabulary, like this one. Run out of. Run out of means finished. Or we look at the picture and the skill. No longer available. No longer available. Run out of. Finished. The asparagus. So you see there's 3. No longer available, run out of. And in our notes, it says finished. Or used up. Or no more left. Oh my God, that's why we have to study. Run out of, no more left, finished, used up, no longer available, sir. No longer available, run out, finished, used up, no more left, no more left. And the last practice is easy. All the actions that Mary is doing are here, the actions in English. And all the objects like a mouse, computer, desk, but in today's class, taking orders, they're here. These are all the things. Appetizer, asparagus, dish, flavor, ingredient, main course, mousse, oysters. These are all the things in today's class. And these are adjectives. Adjectives. They put others, adjectives. So for homework, you're going to study the actions, the things, the adjectives, the difficult vocabulary for the restaurant, special attention, the phrases, and organize the phrases with the skills so you can use it in the correct situation.